Begin assembly by turning the sweeper upside down. Then align a brush assembly with the brush shaft, with the short end of the brushes at the center of the sweeper. Then secure it with 2/4 by 1 inch hex bolts, part B, and 2/4 inch nylock nuts, part D. Now, rotate the brushes a quarter turn and repeat the previous steps. Next, turn the sweeper upright. Then loosely secure a handle leg stand tube, part 4, to the sweeper housing using 2/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch hex bolts, part A, 2/4 inch standard washer, part C, and 2/4 inch nylock nuts, part D. Leave it a little bit loose for now. Next, repeat for the other side. Now align the upper tube with the handle leg stand tubes. Then align a bag rod clip and secure each side with a 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, part A, and a 1/4 inch nylock nut, part D. Now go back and fully secure the bolts at the handle leg stand tube. Then align a bag rod clip to the inside of each lower handle tube using a 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, part A, and a 1/4 inch nylock nut, part D. Ensure the clips face towards the sweeper housing. Then, slide the long bag rod, part 6, through the stitched bag flap on the top of the hopper bag. Now, slide the short bag rod, part 5, through the stitched bag flap on the bottom side of the hopper bag. Next, press the 2 plastic rod caps, part G, to the ends of the bottom bag rod. Then press 2 pal nuts, part F, to the ends of the top bag rod. Now, press 2 plastic caps, part H, onto the ends of the leg stands. Next, place the upper hopper bag and bag rod into the bag rod clips on the hopper handle. Then place the lower hopper bag and bag rod into the opening on the sweeper housing. Now hook the elastic straps on the bag flaps under the bag rod clips on the lower handle tubes.